Do you ever feel like Codeforces problems are trickier than they look? Let's tackle one together today and make it simple. Hi. If you're new here, let me introduce myself. I'm a software engineer with more than 5 years of experience, passionate about helping you solve Codeforces problems smarter. Subscribe for practical tips and skill growth. Today we're solving Codeforces problem 705A Hulk. The problem is straightforward but fun. Hulk expresses his emotions in a unique way. For any given number n, we need to print a sentence describing how Hulk feels. If the position is odd, he says I hate, and if it's even, he says I love. These are connected with the word that, and it ends with it. Let's dive into an example to understand it better. Suppose the input is 2. Hulk's emotions would alternate like this. For position 1, it's I hate. For position 2, it's I love. The final output becomes, I hate that I love it. Pretty simple, right? This is a very lightweight problem with a time complexity of O(n), because we are looping through each position from 1 to n. It's efficient and direct. The approach is simple. Loop through all numbers from 1 to n. Check whether the current position is odd or even. Print I hate for odd and I love for even. For all positions except the last, append that. Finally, close the sentence with it. Let's solve the first example step by step. Input is 2. For position 1, I hate is printed. Append that. For position 2, I love is printed. End with it. The output becomes, I hate that I love it. Here's the code to solve this problem. Let's break it down. First, we read the input n, which tells us how many feelings Hulk has. Then, we iterate from 1 to n using a loop. Inside the loop, we check if the current position is odd or even using the modulo operator. If it's odd, print I hate. If it's even, print I love. After each feeling, except for the last one, we add that using a conditional check. Finally, we close the sentence with it after the loop ends. The solution runs in linear time, O(n), because we loop through each number exactly once. The space complexity is O(1), as we don't use any additional data structures. Let's test this code on Codeforces with the example input 2. After running the solution, we see the output matches exactly. I hate that I love it. And yes, we got the green check mark for an accepted solution. See? Codeforces problems don't have to be overwhelming. With the right mindset and approach, you can break down any problem and solve it step by step. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more problem-solving tutorials. Let's keep learning together. Remember, no matter how tricky a problem looks, it's just waiting for you to solve it smarter. See you in the next video.